Hello and welcome back to another in-depth video. Today we are talking about what potentially will be Winter Storm Nancy as it moves through the upper plains, including areas such as the Twin Cities. So without further ado, let's get right on into it, starting off with the National Weather Service page, where we do have areas just around the Twin Cities under winter storm watches, just to the north, I believe, or at least right around the Twin Cities. But we have winter storm warnings in Montana, Wyoming, Washington, Oregon, blizzard warnings in North Dakota and Minnesota, winter weather advisories in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, and Minnesota, and winter storm watches in Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. So, starting off here on our NAM with the simulated radar, we will be seeing a cold front kind of start to slide down from Canada, and from that we will see some moisture in the very northern parts of the country, but eventually we will see another low pressure system form back in Montana. That system will start to pull up some Gulf moisture, and we start to see some snowfall in areas such as Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota, Wisconsin, even northern areas of Michigan. Now, this low pressure still hasn't left the Rockies yet, and that is why this is fairly light until another low pressure forms in the south, pulling up even more Gulf moisture and bringing in some potentially heavier snowfall. Not a crazy difference, but just a slight difference that could boost some areas over foot or 2 feet of snow. This is a long duration event. Let's take the Twin Cities, for instance, which start receiving snowfall right around, this is Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Central, and the storm does not move out of the Twin Cities until, let's call it right here, which is 4 a.m. Eastern, 3 a.m. Central, Wednesday. So this could be, in the whole duration of this event, a 48 to 72 hour system. And even though the intensities will be light, we could see some intense snowfall totals because of the duration. We'll also see some heavy rain on the south side as well. Now, in terms of snow totals, we are seeing now a widespread 6 to 2 feet from areas of the Rockies and the Sierra Nevadas and the Cascades, all the way through up the UP of Michigan, including 2 feet plus possible in areas just north of the Twin Cities and areas near Marquette, Michigan. Now, in terms of freezing rain, which is also a factor here, we could be seeing some freezing rain in Chicago and Milwaukee. Not much for Detroit, but maybe a little bit for Maine as well. And then in terms of total precipitation, heaviest precipitation will be in those spots that receive 2+ feet of snowfall, as well as in the Ohio River Valley, where we could see even up to 3 inches of rainfall. Finally, let's take a look at our mixed layer cape, because there is a possibility, especially in areas of the south central U.S., such as Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, for some thunderstorms and potentially some major ones as well. You can see that we have 1,100 joules per kilogram of cape, and that will be plenty of energy needed for thunderstorm development. But that is just a quick overview of the storm. I do expect this to be named Winter Storm Nancy throughout the day tomorrow, and I will make a video on it as soon as I can. But until then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.